Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CIMA regulated forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, or the CIMA, is the main regulator of financial services in the Cayman Islands. The objective of the agency is to regulate financial services and maintain monetary stability. It is responsible for its currency board's supervision, which supports fixed exchange rates with other currencies. The regulator was formed in 1997 to merge the previous Financial Services Supervision Department of the Cayman Islands government and the Cayman Islands Currency Board under one roof. The governor appoints the entire board of directors of the authority and has the power to direct the authority after consulting the board. The governor may also request an independent review of the actions and performance of the authority. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CIMA regulated forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker, which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, CFDs, Commodities, Futures, Forex Options, Listed Options, Cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 4 on our list, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard, premium, and professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provide their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. Coming in at number 3 is Darwinex. Darwinex is a leading provider of technology services designed to help Forex traders sharpen their skills and enjoy greater trading success. The company was established in 2012, and it employs dozens of professional individuals with years of experience in the trading industry, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, as well as virtual private servers provided by Beak FX that offers traders ultra-low latency solutions. Their accounts are available on Classic, Stocks and Futures Darwin trading accounts, with access supported via WebTrader, NinjaTrader, and more, as well as Forex professional accounts. Darwinex also provides their very own educational section, which features a variety of educational trading videos, as well as a blog, which covers a selection of educational trading topics if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Darwinex. At number 2 on our list is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CIMA Regulated Forex Brokers, we have Octa FX. Octa FX is an online broker that was established in 2011 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use Octa FX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, Index CFDs, Commodities, and Cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. Octa FX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with Octa FX. And those are some of the top 5 best CIMA regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.